In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan and zoom in Capcut. By the end, you'll know how to open your project, bring in your footage, create a clean zoom in with smooth motion, and if you want extra energy, add a simple shake effect to highlight the movement. Start by opening the Capcut app and creating a new project. If it's your first time, Capcut may ask for access to your photos and videos. Grant that so you can import your clip. Keep your workspace tidy by closing any extra tabs and turning your phone or screen to landscape if your footage is horizontal. It gives you more room to see what you're doing. Next, add your video. Tap New Project, select the clip you want, and confirm to drop it onto the timeline. If the clip needs a quick trim, you can drag the ends on the timeline so you're working only with the portion you plan to pan and zoom. This keeps your motion clean and focused. Now let's make the zoom in. Tap to select your clip. In the preview window, you can pinch outward to zoom in and pinch inward to zoom out. To animate that zoom, move the playhead to the moment you want the zoom to start, then set your starting view, usually fully framed. Add a keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end, pinch to zoom closer to your subject, and Capcut will animate between those 2 points. If you notice black bars, switch the clip to fill so the frame stays covered. For a pan, set another keyframe and gently drag the image in the preview to reframe toward the subject. The distance between keyframes controls how fast the move